Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your automotive and car accessories business, easy and quick. First, type Durable, and as we know, Durable is a website, is a place on the internet where you can find information or services that are long-lasting and can withstand wear and tear over time. It's all about things that are strong and able to last for a while. And also, as we know, you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. Also, this AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now, create your new business here. Now enter your business name, Automotive, and car accessories. And now enter, select your industry, and now enter your location and choose your website language and create a business. Now wait a few minutes to generate this website business. So first of all, let's go to the first section. Now just click here. Now you can edit your site name and you can turn the logo on and upload a file from here. You can change the label, you can add the external link, and you can manage your social links here. You can add a channel, you can select a type of your social link, you can add a link here. Now click save. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want. That's it. Let's move on to the next section. Edit it from here, click edit, and if you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. Also, if you want to change the subtext, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. Also, if you want to change the label from here, now if you want to add a link, and click save, and let's move on to the next section. This is from here. Now you can regenerate the image if you don't like it. Also, if you want to manage the image position from here, now click save, and let's move on to the next section. This is the text section. If you want to regenerate the text, if you don't like it, just click regenerate and it should be regenerated. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. This is the list section. If you want to edit, click here. You can change this. You can manage your display settings. You can manage your image and your icon, your heading and your content, and your button. If you want to manage the list items, and if you want to add list item here, you can generate a title. You can generate the content here, and also you can add a label and you can add a link and save it. And let's move on to the next section. The next section is this is this testimonials section. Just click add testimonials. You can generate a code, you can generate by who, and also you can upload a file. So that's it. Click save, and let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery section. Click edit. You can change this. Also, if you want to generate the image, if you don't like the image, just click here and it will be generated. So if you want to upload a file or photo from your browser, from here, like this. If you want to from library, choose something from your library, or if you want to search image here, let's see what's gonna take from here. I'm gonna take this. So for example, this, just click on it and click save, and let's move on to the next section. This is the location section. Click edit, and here the heading if you want to change it. If you want to change the address, the business address, if you want to add the text file, now you can add additional text file. You can add a title, you can add the contents. So let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the contact form section. If you want to edit it, click edit, and now you can regenerate the contact form. Also you can manage files here, and also if you want to custom input labels, turn this on, and you can add a name, add email, add a message. And also if you want to generate the form success message, that's it. Now click save, and let's move on to the next section. This is the footer section, the last section. Click edit, and now you can edit the business name. You can also edit, you can turn this on and upload the file. You can add additional details here, and also you can turn this on and add a label, and you can add a link. Now you can add the social links. You can add a channel here. You can select the social links, just the type, and you can add the link here. Now that's it. So before we end uh, this editing of this website, you can generate the content of the section if you don't like it. You can generate the style. Also you can generate the entire section if you don't like this section. Just click entire section, and it will be regenerated. Also if you want to duplicate this section, just click here. If you want to delete it, click delete, and it will be removed. And if you want to move it up or move it down, and that's it. Now click save, and here you can create your website business. Now wait a few seconds. Now just click here, and you can create your website business easy and quick. You can publish your website and get a free custom domain name, and that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.